The Great White Adventure, exploring the ocean's most iconic predator.
Great white sharks, nature's finest marine olfactory experts. Remarkable travelers, great white sharks swim thousands of miles yearly. Silver ghosts of the sea, great whites are ocean's artful hunters. Sentinels of the sea, great whites maintain ocean's balance. Vulnerable giants, great whites face challenges in their marine realm. Hidden life, great white shark pups, embryonic wonders of the sea. Cultural icons, great whites captivate human imagination beyond the sea. Silent diplomats, great white sharks, symbols of ocean conservation.